Hey, what's up, guys? So we're working on multiplying polynomials, and today we're going to talk about the distribution method. You've learned distribution for a while now. Remember, if I had this problem here, I would multiply -4 times everything inside. So -4 times 5x would be -20x, and then I would multiply -4 times -3, which would be +12. Okay, distribution. So we're doing the exact same thing, just with polynomials, which means I just have to distribute instead of this single term. I'm going to have more terms to distribute. Don't freak out. It's going to be awesome. Here we go. All right, we have x plus 5 times the quantity x plus 3. So I'm going to write that x plus 5 times x plus 3. All right, distributive property. I'm going to take each term in my first factor and I'm going to multiply it times all the things in the other factor. Okay, not within. It's travel to the other parentheses, right? So I'm going to start with this x here and I multiply it times x here, which would be x squared. Remember, add the exponents. Okay, multiply x times 3, which gets me 3x. Okay, so remember this is multiply, so times by everything. I've multiplied the x, and so now I go to this 5 here, and we're going to do the same thing. 5 times x is 5x, and then I multiply it times 3, so 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so make sure with the distribution, everything is multiplication. Okay, don't revert to addition, real common mistake. Multiply, 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 and then we're back to combining like terms. Okay, so I have my x squared, that's the only x squared. I have 3x plus 5x is going to give me 8x, and then I have this plus 15. And there's my product. That's distribution method. Here we go. 2x minus 2 times x plus 11. All right, I'm going to start with my first one, 2x, and multiply it times everything in the other parentheses. So 2x times x is going to be 2x squared. Watch your exponents. 2x times 11 is 22x. And now I'm ready for my second term. Here we go, -2 times x, -2x. -2 times 11 is -22. Mind your signs, it changes things. All right, and now we are ready to combine like terms and simplify our expression. So I have 2x squared. I have 22x minus 2x is 20x, and then I have my minus 22. Okay? There's our product when we multiply those factors. Feeling all right? Here we go. 3x minus 1, quantity squared. Remember that just means times itself. So we have 3x minus 1 times itself, 3x minus 1. Always expand it or you're going to lose a term. And then we Christ had tears. Okay, I have 3x times 3x. 3 times 3 is 9. X times x is x squared. 3 times -1 is -3x. And we're ready for the next term. -1 times everything in the other parentheses. -1 times 3x is -3x. And -1 times -1 is +1. We're going to combine like terms and celebrate our awesome success. So my x's are right here. All right, so we have 9x squared because there's no other x squareds to put with it. -3x and -3x makes -6x, and then +1. So multiply everything first and then add. Multiply everything first and then add it together. All right, last one is our big boy here. 2x minus 4 times x squared plus 3x plus 1. Okay, don't freak out. It's just more terms, and that's okay. We're going to start with 2x. And multiply it times everything. So 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. 2x times 3x, well 2 times 3 is 6. X times x is x squared. And then 2x times 1 is going to be 2x. And we're ready for our second term. Negative 4 times x squared is negative 4x squared. Negative 4 times 3x is negative 12x. And negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Whew, lots of work there. All right, so we're combining like terms. So 2x cubed, I don't see any other x cubed, so that stays 2x cubed. All right, now I have my x squareds. So I have 6x squared minus 4x squared is going to be 2x squared. Then I look for the x's. I have 2x minus 12x is going to be negative 10x. And then I have my constant chilling on the end, minus 4. There's my product when I multiply these factors. Okay, so remember, multiply everything. Don't start adding until you've multiplied it all out and you have your long strand here. All of this distribution is multiplication. Huge mistake people make. Okay, so multiply, 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 and then add, simplify, woohoo, celebrate your awesomeness. Okay, write what you need to remember so you'll be successful when you reflect back on this in a few weeks, months, whenever you need to. You got it.